Hey, my YouTube family. I learned something new today, so I wanted to share with everybody. And it is how to use the Easy Bow Maker. So, I made this cute little bow. It's like wonderful. And I'm going to show you how to do it with just pipe cleaners and some ribbon. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure this we're all in the shot here. Make sure it's nice and level. So I made this bow. I didn't cut it, not yet. But we're going to just try to get a little idea how to do this. So, here's what we're going to do. We'll take this pipe cleaner, put it between here, between the dowels. You'll learn why más later. So I'm only going to use maybe 1 or 2 ribbons. I'm going to try this one. I was playing with it like in the morning, which was really fun. So they have a little spool holder that goes here. I just can't. I can't. So it's going to go on the floor. Well, in the bucket actually. So what you want to do is take your ribbon, right? Put your ribbon into the bowl holder. Make sure you get a good view. So you can have a tail on your bow. So if you want it 8 inches, or if you want it 10 inches, just move it 2 more inches out. So say you wanted a 10-inch tail for like you're making your Christmas tree bow. Right, so it's down in there. Make sure it's pushed down in there. So now you want to kind of twist this bottom part. Just hold on to it for a second. Then, so say you want to make, we've got to think of how big we want our bow, because it's going to be like that. So say we want to make 7 inches. We'll do the first one at 7 inches. I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to stick my little pinky finger here at that 7-inch mark. On this side, I'm going to put my bow in, but when I put it in, I'm going to make sure I twist. So you have your bow here, and this side is literally like, keep your tail down here. This side is now upside down. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to find the 7. I don't know if you can see. Find the 7. Fold it at the 7. You can use your pinky finger. There was like this dowel that came in there. I have no idea what it's for. It's just really funny. So he's my friend. I use him too. So fold it over. If you notice when you fold it over, this is the inside part of it. Shove this little doozy in here, and then as you squish it down, you're kind of going to twist. And then just fix. And now you have the wrong side. It's hard to tell here. This is actually the wrong side up. It's a little lighter than this side. So you're going to twist. And we're just going to go. You want another loop at 7. So we're going to do it again at 7 on this side. You can use the loop before it. It's a little more than 7. It's close. Again, back at it. Twist it while it's in here. This ribbon is kind of fun. It never wants to stay in place. Twist it. So now it's twisted over here. Then you're going to go back over. Use your guide loop, your other loop as a guide. Back here. Try to keep your other loop as a guide. Push it down. Pretty good. Twist it. So if you want to keep doing the same loops, but I eventually want my bow to get smaller. On the side of this though, it has the measurements. So right there's the 5, 6, 7. So say I want to go to a little smaller. Go to like the 6. About the 6, or a little less than the 6. Same thing. And as you notice, you do the same thing. Twist. The ribbon in the front of the video is actually thinner ribbon. It was from Hobby Lobby. It is all wired ribbon. It was from Hobby Lobby or AC Moore. They pretty much had the same red buffalo check ribbon. Go back, twist down, make sure you twist. Now we're gonna go back. Now you want your loops to get smaller and smaller as you go along, because, and this is gonna be a big bow because I made so many loops so far. So you might be able to take it down an inch each time. Do the same thing. Twist. Go this way. About the same thing. Twist. This bow is going to be so big, it probably is not even going to fit in the frame. We're going to have to back up the camera. Same thing, just keep taking it a little bit smaller each time. If you mess it up, you always can pull a little bit. Fix, fix, fix. Like, okay, I want to fix, fix, fix. Twist again. Come over. As you go along, you can keep them the same or use them as a guide. Bow's getting really, really big now. It's going to be a big guide because I'm pretty much using the whole roll of ribbon. P.S. by the way, it takes a lot of ribbon to make a bow. So when you see big, giant, beautiful bows on Reef, appreciate it takes a lot of ribbon to make those. Then I'm going to go back, twist again. I've always seen this done by hand, like hand making bows, and I was like, oh, I can never do that. There's no way. But then just the same concept and idea, you can do it. Trust me. So we just get a little smaller. And we used a lot of ribbon here. Let me twist so I can get the wrong side up. And we shall twist again. So we just get a little smaller. Don't forget to twist. I've done that about 6 times today. And then, as you can see, the ribbon is almost gone. Twist. Twist again. You're still getting smaller and still twisting. Twist. See how much do I have? Okay, I have a good amount. I probably can get one more good twist out of it, because you want to have a tail. And you want to go over. Make sure you get your loops. So it's starting to get like a bow. Twist again. Ah, I have done that like 4 times. I literally took the dowel out because I put so much ribbon in it. Twist again. I'm gonna have to hold it with my hand because I knocked the dowel out. Hold it tight, especially since I popped the dowel out. And so we're gonna leave it like that. And here's what you're gonna do. So since I did the last little loop as such, like for the center, I'm gonna take the 2 sides of the pipe cleaner. I'm gonna tie it tight, just enough to hold on to your pile. Then you'll have to hammer that in with one of these lovely marvels later. Don't use a hammer, it'll split the dowel. Been there, done that. Then I'm just gonna take this off of here. Then pull your pipe cleaner around. You can make it tight, not tight, and as you see, I missed that last little tie. I missed it. So I can still, like, okay, I'm gonna fix my bow, I'm gonna catch it. It's not done. No worries. I've done it before. Many people have done it before. They're just not honest. Be like, no, I make perfect bows. No, we're all not all perfect people. We don't all make perfect bows. So you always can catch it back and just retwist it, tie it, and just do it tight. So now what you have is you have your bow. This is my longest tail. And then what you want to do with your bow is put your fingers in here. That's going to be my centerpiece. So start at the top. These are our bigger pieces. We want to start separating, 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 separating. Just keep going. Bows take a while. You will have to play with them. I like the center. You want to get the pieces apart. I'm going to make another video on bow making. I'm just going to use a different ribbon. I might use multiple ribbon, probably today, because it's cold outside and I don't want to go out. I'd rather just stay home and make bows. Same thing, keep going. All your loops. And you'll just continue to play with your bow. Use your hands because it is wired ribbon. You're not going to break it. Just try to make sure you keep it in the frame. I'll move the camera up a little bit. The camera doesn't want to stay where I put him. He's not very friendly to me today, but that's okay. Then we're going to do the same thing. Go around. Move your little tails out the way. You're going to have to do this a lot until you specifically get the bow the way and where you want it. And as you can see, the loop starts taking shape. And then just one side at a time. You can do two sides at a time. Or like one side at a time, and then I can just see what I'm doing. Fix the wire. Fix the bow wire. And just keep playing with it until you get it exactly the way you want it. So my little middle. There's my one tie. My other tie, my one tie is super long because I didn't cut it. And then just keep playing with your bow until you get the bow. You can pull on it, you can move it around if you want. That's just a little bow basic. I don't know how it's coming up on the camera, but it looks really cute. And you just keep shaping and forming your bow until you get the bow exactly where you want it. As you can see, I'm about to take this up. As you can see, this bow would make a really cute... I never leave it alone. I'm never going to leave it alone. I'm just going to keep playing with it. I'm just going to tell you. It would make a really cute tree topper. So it's really cute. And if you want to do other stuff with bows, like put them on wreaths, you use multiple different ribbons. You could put this on like a regular greenery wreath. But make sure you keep your tail separated. It's just a little harder because I don't have this one cut. And this one wants to go back, which is fine. And you just keep playing with it until you get it where you want. Spread it out. Play with it. Sometimes wire, you might have to actually put your hand in and round it off to get it to where you want to be. And as you can see, after a little bit, it starts to actually look like a real bow. And so you just keep playing with it. You could put multiple bows and multiple ribbon colors in here. I just use this. This is 2.5 inch ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and just play with it. You can use multiple 2.5 ribbons. I think it looks pretty when you have like this bow that I made earlier was on, it's pretty flimsy. Hobby, I think it's Hobby Lobby, AC Moore, one of them. They're buffalo check ribbon, but it's really cute. Like it would actually look really cute on, like if you left the tails and put this little bow on a lantern, look really cute. But it's the same idea. On this particular bow, I started at like 4, and then all the rest of the loops I went in by a little bit each time. and I did a bunch of loops. As you can tell, I didn't cut it because I want to keep playing with it. But same idea. Same idea with this. So it's very easy. You don't have to go spend $30 for a bow or have someone make you a bow. You can do it yourself. The Easy Bow Maker. I think I got that maybe sometime during the summer, but I didn't have time to play with it. But pull the camera up. But I think I got it sometime during the summer. I think it was like 10 bucks during the summer because everything goes up at Christmas. I think it was $10 during the summer, and I used a 40% off coupon, so it had to be from Michaels. So as you can tell, it's really easy to make a really pretty Christmas bow, and it took us all but 10 minutes. So you definitely can do this. I promise. If 2 thumbs over here can do it, you can do it. All right, my YouTube family, you have a wonderful day. I'll be back later with some videos. So I'm gonna make some more bows and I show you, but now you have the general idea how to start making pretty bows for your door. Okay, guys, kisses.